Shalom Aleichem. Because there is many boys which are hurry up in the morning to tefillah, to work, not to tefillah. Somebody go to Knesset is very, very good. But these some people hurry up from home to Knesset. People put the tefillin very, very fast, and there is many, many problems in putting tefillin. I want some part of the putting tefillin. People should take point on these things every day, because if these 2-3 points not keep it, the person is not yotze yedei chovat hanachat tefillin mitzvah deoraita. By the way, we should not forget the putting tefillin, but with the tefillin should say Shema Yisrael, because Israel is mitzvah aseh deoraita of Kiryat Shema. The first part is by tefillin shel yad, and I want to show exactly, where is the place of putting tefillin shel yad. Yes, we have in the tefillin shel yad like a hill. Yes, here is valley, here is a hill. Yes, the place is on the top of what? On the top of the hill. That's the place where you put the tefillin. In the tefillin, we have a yud. We have a yud. This is the yud. The yud is going payin all the time. Payin. When you remember that the yud is all the time down, so then you know that what? That you never by mistake will put it barat or will put it like this. All the time remember that the yud is what? Is down. Yes? That's we're going with the tefillin inside. We're going with the tefillin inside. Yes? We make sure to take off the watch. After this, the watch is what? Is chatzitza. The watch is chatzitza. We put the yud, yes, not on the heel. We put the yud down the heel. Why? Because when you will tidy it, if you will put it on the top, the tefillin will be up of the hand. So because of this, we put it down. We put it down, and we need one hand free. We hold. We hold strong, up and down, and then we make beracha, and then we tidy strong. We tidy strong, and then we start. Again, holding strong in the place, make beracha, and then tie. Then the tefillin exactly on the top of the heel, and the tefillin is in front of what? In front of the heart. Yes, tefillin shel yad keneged halev. And then everybody with his minhag can carry on around, circle back. The main thing, the tefillin should sit on their place. And we carry on to roll the tefillin, making sure that there is no chatzitza on the hand, and after this we come into the rastich on the hand. Everybody according his minhag. We're going to the tefillin shel rosh. Tefillin shel rosh have a couple of problems which many people have. We put the tefillin shel rosh. If the tefillin is too big, the tefillin will sit like this on the head, or even not like this. The tefillin will sit like this. This is not good. The tefillin need to sit exactly in the middle, where starting the hair. Yes, no matter even the person doesn't have a hair, is blowed, even so, the place where his hair is starting. Another problem, and when you put it on and you are along at home, you don't see. Sometimes what? Is turning over. Yes, when it's turning over, or sometimes is on the top of the kippah. On the top of the kippah, needed to be very, very careful with these things. And the last thing for the end, the string is well should be on the black straight and tied it to what? To your belt. Tied it to your belt. Because Chachamim said is a not good sign when somebody turn his tefillin, is the string like this. In this position, if somebody happened to him, he must give tzedakah for this thing. So, Many people not careful on this. Need to be careful that all the time should be on the black side. Thank you very much for everybody for listening. And everybody should not forget to put tefillin every day. And don't forget as well, Kiryat Shema with tefillin.